that worked out okay. All right, now lastly, we're gonna do her little shorts and the ground. And the ground, I do it exactly the same as the other one. I don't really want lines, I just kind of use a circular motion. You could, if you want, completely color the whole background, give it a sky, give it some grass or whatever. I wanted the focus to stay on the image, so I chose not to. But it is your project. If you want to color in the whole background, you absolutely can. And go back with the medium color. Blend the dark one out just a little bit. And then with the lightest. And now the shorts. A little bit of shadow where the fold is there, and then on the bottom. And I've seen tutorials where some people, rather than do the light, medium, dark, medium, light, they just do the dark, the medium, and the light, and have beautiful results. I've always been taught doing it this way, and so that's what I always do, and I'm quite comfortable. So you'll notice that is quite a bit lighter. I could take the time and make it even lighter, but I don't think it's actually even going to be noticeable or very noticeable by the time I go and do this with the lightest of the grays. So I'm just going to leave it. And I don't outline the ground part just because there's not really an outline to that. You can see how very simple and how quick it is to outline it, but it just makes it pop off the page a little bit. All right. There she is done being colored. I'm just going to wait for a moment for all the ink to dry, and then I'll see you in the next video when we'll put the card together.